Training contents is logic development software, RS Logic 5000. Then hardware configuration, tag creation of links, programming logic ladder. Then functional block, sequential function chart, structure text, tag links with the SCADA and HMI, the communication between RS Logics 5000 and Factory Talk View Studio, VFD, VFD monitoring, and communication established with the PLC. Then establish communication with the third-party systems, tags and object creation. Then establish communication with RS Logics 5000, database creation, tag creation, alarm creation, and history trends. Then online trends and trend based on the historical data. Then software configuration and setup, uh, ActiveX control objects like PID tuning, the faceplate database, then ODBC communication, communication between RS Logics 5000 and emulator, and historical report generation. This total duration for this course is 90 hours duration, and it going to conduct a